Yeah, I might have to take out the big guns. I'm not happy about it. Inside the garlic water and the elderberry juice water. I'm going to fill it with water and then I'm going to pour it near the potatoes. In my last video about the voles, I was hoping that they will not find my potatoes, so I decided to pour some elderberry juice water together with the garlic water in between where the potatoes are and the parts of the garden where I found vole tunnels and mounds, in the hope that they will not cross and find the potatoes. So here is what I'm doing now. I had finished all my elderberry leaf juice water and all my garlic water, so I'm preparing again the garlic water. This time, instead of peeling one by one the cloves and chopping them, I decided to just crush them with the bricks. And this is it. It's just a bucket of garlic and water, and I'm letting it ferment for a few days. Now we wait. So after a few days where I actually didn't see any vole activity, I did check every day, it rained, and then this is what I found. I found tunnels and holes beyond the line that I had, let's say, painted with the garlic water. This is another mound, again near the onions, and yeah. And unfortunately things get worse because here is the mound of the onions, but just close by, I found so many tunnels, and you can see here that I've stomped on them, and yeah. And here, while I'm walking, I found another tunnel where I just put my foot. You can see the soil, how squishy it is, and then here you can see another vole mound. And unfortunately, the problem doesn't even stop here, but beyond the net, here is another mound, and I actually found 3. I just can show you this one right now. But yeah, the issue is much bigger. And I don't know if they're leaving, like they're expanding because they're trying to leave my property because of the garlic water, but I'm not so positive thinking, I'm not so optimistic to believe that. And so, yeah. Here you can see there is a tunnel in between these 2 zucchinis, and yeah, other tunnels. And I found here where I'm pointing with my foot, there was another vole mound, and a little bit ahead is where I found the hole which I've shown before. So yeah, it was quite discouraging. However, I decided that I could use this fermented garlic water because now it had been fermenting for a few days, and so it was absolutely stinky, so I just decided to use it. Okay, so I have some bad news. The voles are back. I don't know if you can see this. This is another vole sign. As well as here and here. This looks like another tunnel. And here as well. Can you see it? Yeah. Yeah, and you can see a mound here. But all of this I need to clear out. Yeah, I might have to take out the big guns. I'm not happy about it.